In order to start pipetting with the VIAFLO 96 or 384, choose a predefined standard program and edit the parameters accordingly. Start pipetting by pressing Run. After the last dispense, a blowout occurs automatically, followed by a blow-in. The blowout ensures that all the liquid is dispensed from the tip. The blow-in can be delayed by simply holding the Run button after the last dispense until you're ready. A tip touch or touch-off can be performed by moving either right or left, or simply moving back down into the liquid. There are many predefined programs to choose from. For example, repeat dispense in order to dispense multiple times after only one aspiration, or pipette mix, which allows you to mix liquids together by pressing just one button.